Mr. Cava says, how do you get through a stubborn seller?
Stubborn how? I guess. I mean, stubborn on they don't want to give you any information.
I would say that. Or like they're just very, I don't know, not even like Bill, like, hey, how's your day today? It's good. How much do you want to sell? How much do you want to buy this property for? Like, that's what I'm guessing.
Well, I mean, it's hard. You really have to understand personality types. Like if you called me about a property, that's how I would answer.
Yeah.
How do you want to sell it? And I'm really not a motivated seller in the first place, unless you made a crazy offer. But I talk to them. If they want to get straight to the point, I'll talk to you straight to the point. I don't want to waste your time. I'm not going to waste my time. Let's get straight to the point. If you can't open up and tell me some information about the property, then how do you expect me to buy it? You punch them right in the mouth. Stubborn sellers like that are straight to the point, you have to be super direct with them and straight to the point. Because if you're all these other wholesalers that are like, oh, try to go through questions with them, these guys, they get annoyed and they hang up. They don't want to go through that. They want somebody just like them who's straight to the point. Yep. So however the seller is, you need to match exactly how they are. That gives you the best chance of getting a deal.
Be a chameleon. That's what it's all about.
Yeah.
What are the personality types that you look for in the sellers? Like, how many have you boxed for your own business? Like looking at different sellers.
I mean, all of them pretty much. Drivers, like the social conscience, the talkative ones that tell you everything, and then the analytical ones. Yeah, pretty much all of them. I've lost a deal with each one, and I was able to. An analytical guy, like an example, I had one deal where I sent like a 1-page contract to, right? And this guy, he's smart. He owns property. He owns like $1 million property. And this was like an easy $15K deal. And I lost a deal over another investor. And he actually liked me more because the contract that the other investor used, it was the Trek contract. It was like the whole 13 pages.
Yeah.
And that's what he liked because he's an analytical guy. So he went through each page and it covered the most protection. If I would have sent the same contract, I would have got that deal. But since I didn't realize what kind of seller he was, I sent a 1-pager and I lost the deal. But same thing going to like an older seller. You don't want to send an older seller 13 pages because you're going to scare them. You want it to be short and sweet, 1 page. Look, this is what we're agreeing to. It makes them feel comfortable. You need to understand your seller, and you need to understand what kind of personality type they are. Because if you don't do everything according to that personality type, you're going to lose the deal to somebody who understands the personality types.
I agree. I'm telling you, these are important lessons to have, though. They'll make more money than what you'll lose. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Consider liking this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm so my videos can get shown to more people, so I can help my mission on this channel to help you make over $100,000 in real estate wholesaling absolutely for free. If you're getting any value out of this whole channel or from the clip today, please consider subscribing to the channel. It means so much to me. Have a blessed day.